Hello student. Science first second chapter periodic classification of elements. We have studied Doberan's triad law, Newton's law of octave. Now next classification was done by Russian scientist Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev, that is famous in the name of Mendeleev's periodic table. Dmitry Mendeleev developed a periodic table in the period of 1869 to 1872 AD. Mendeleev's periodic table was the most important steps in the classification of elements. Like Dobereiner, like Newlands, Mendeleev also considered that fundamental property of elements is based on their atomic masses. When Mendeleev made the periodic table, that time 63 elements were known. Mendeleev arranged all the 63 tables that time in increasing order of their atomic masses. While arranging the elements in increasing order of their atomic masses, he make a table according to the he made a table according to physical and chemical property of the elements. Mendeleev Mendeleev organized the element in increasing order of their atomic masses on the basis of their chemical and physical properties. While arranging the elements in table, he considered the chemical properties such as what is the formula of their hydride, what is the formula of their oxides, means when they react with oxide, so what formula of that elements is there. All this property he considered while making the periodic table. उनके melting, what is the melting point of element, what is the boiling point of element, what is the density of their oxide, what is the molecular formula of their hydride, all the chemical and physical properties he considered while arranging the elements in the periodic table. So in the periodic table, in the table he arranged the arranged considering all the property according to their atomic masses, and he given the law that is famous as the Mendeleev's periodic law. What is the Mendeleev's periodic law? Properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic masses. See, Mendeleev have make a table. In table, there was horizontal lines that were called as period and vertical column that was called as group. So there was horizontal lines. See, you can see Mendel's periodic table. There are horizontal lines like that. These are the called as the period, and there is a vertical column. These are called as groups. So while making the periodic table, Mendeleev found that in each period there is a repetition of property of element. Means if there is a lithium in the second period, whatever is property of lithium is there, that property is repeated with another element in the third period also. Means he found that in every period there was repetition of continuous repetition of property of elements. Therefore, he has given the law of periodic law as property of elements or periodic functions. Periodic function means property of element depend upon the period of the table. Means in each table there is repetition of property of the elements. Therefore, what is the law of Mendel's periodic table? Properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic masses. Means in every period there is a repetition of properties of the element. Understand? What is the Mendel's periodic law? Properties of elements are the periodic functions of their atomic masses. Now next point is the merit of Mendel's periodic table. I earlier told you that classification classification of elements, Mendel's periodic table was the most important step because there was some merit, great merits of the Mendel's periodic table. What are the Mendel's periodic table? While making the periodic table, Mendel's think that science is progressive. There is freedom in science to revise old inferences by using more advanced mean or method of doing experiment. Means whatever old inferences are given in the science, they can be changed, they can be revised by new experiment, new discovery. So these characteristics of science are clearly seen in the Mendel's periodic table. Mendeleev had made periodic table on that basis. Next, in some year, what I am making, it can be revised. Mendeleev's, you know that Mendeleev's arranged element in the periodic increasing order of their atomic masses and found that the elements are periodic function of their atomic masses. As a result, Mendel's periodic table demonstrates some merit. What are the Mendel's periodic table's merit? First merit. When Mendeleev made the periodic table, then atomic masses of some elements were got revised. When Mendeleev give them proper place in the periodic table according to their property, he found that earlier whatever atomic masses of that elements were taken as it was wrong. He revised the atomic masses of that elements. So this is the first merit of the Mendel's periodic table. Ki earlier atomic masses of some elements were wrong. It was taken by wrong by the scientist. But when Mendeleev makes the periodic table, he put the element in the proper place according to their properties. He found that their atomic masses is wrong. He revised them. Thus, atomic masses of some elements got revised by while when Mendeleev make the periodic table. For example, earlier beryllium's atomic was taken as 14.09 and it was placed after the boron. But when Mendeleev made periodic table, its atomic mass was get corrected and it changed to 9.4 from 14.09. Its correct atomic mass was what? 9.04. and beryllium was placed before the boron. बेरिलियम को बोरान के पहले प्लेस किया गया because its atomic mass was corrected as 9.04 instead of 14.09. So thus this is the first merits of the Mendeleev's periodic table. The atomic masses of some elements were gets revised. For example, atomic mass of beryllium was 14.09, which was corrected at 9.04. Sorry, 9.4, and it was placed before the boron. Second merits. Mendeleev kept some places vacant in his periodic table, which Mendeleev kept some vacant places in his periodic table for the elements which were not discovered that time. He has kept खाली जगह रखा था. He has kept some vacant places, and he has told that some element will be come on these places, and he named that. For example, some example is given in your book. There are 3 places he has kept weapon vacant, such as he named them Eka boron, Eka aluminum, and Eka silicon. He has kept many vacant places for the element which were not discovered that time. 3 examples is given in your book. There are 3 vacant places. Mendeleev had named them Eka boron, Eka aluminum, and Eka silicon, but they were not discovered that time. But he has named them Eka boron, Eka aluminum, Eka silicon. Even not only he named them, but he also predicted their properties also. He has indicated their atomic masses also. 44 Eka boron 44, Eka aluminum 68, Eka silicon 72. And not only this, but their property also was predicted by the Mendeleev. But they were not discovered that time. He had predicted their property, their atomic masses, and named them Eka boron, Eka aluminum, Eka silicon. But they were not discovered that time. When these elements were discovered, their name was changed. Eka boron's name is scandium, Eka aluminum is gallium, and Eka silicon is germanium. And property of these elements matched well with those which was predicted by the Mendeleevs. Due to this success, all were convinced about the importance of Mendeleev's periodic table, and this method of classification was accepted immediately by all the scientists. Next merit. There was, when Mendeleev made the periodic table, that time noble gases were not discovered. They were not discovered, and Mendeleev had not kept any places reserved for the noble gases. Which are the noble gases? Helium, neon, argon, krypton, Jena. These are the noble gases. Means we do not react with any element. किसी से reaction नहीं करते. These are gases, therefore they are called as the noble gases. So when Mendeleev made a periodic table, noble gases were not known that time, and there was no place reserved for the noble gases. But when the noble gases discovered in the 19th century, Mendeleev created a zero group without disturbing the original periodic table, in which noble gases were fitted very well. When these gases discovered, Mendeleev didn't make any changes in his periodic table. Only he added a zero group in the last of the periodic table, and that noble gases were fitted well in that zero groups. according to their atomic masses. So these are the merits of the Mendeleev's periodic table. But there were some demerits of Mendeleev periodic table also. What are the demerits of Mendeleev periodic table? First, the whole number of atomic mass of element cobalt and nickel is same. Atomic masses of element and cobalt and nickel is same. So therefore there was some ambiguity, confusion regarding the sequence in periodic table. Ki cobalt will first or nickel will. Which element will be kept first, will be kept after that. There was confusion about that in Mendeleev's periodic table because both have the same atomic masses. Second demerits. You have studied in the ninth standard that many elements have isotopes. Means their atomic masses is same but atomic number is different. As their atomic masses is different, atomic number is same. That are called as the isotope. You have studied their hydrogen has 3 isotope. जिसका atomic mass is 1 2 3 but their atomic number is only 1 1 1. Oxygen has 2 isotopes, oxygen 16 and oxygen 18, but their atomic number is only 8. Due to their atomic number is same, therefore property of the isotopes are similar. ऑक्सीजन का ऑक्सीजन की प्रॉपर्टी दोनों आइटम्स में है, but Mendeleev had arranged the element according to their atomic masses in the periodic table. As you know that isotopes of the same elements had different atomic masses, but their chemical property is same. What I am saying, isotopes of same elements have their atomic masses different, but their chemical properties are same. They should be kept in one place. But as Mendeleev have arranged the element according to their atomic masses, this isotope of the same elements were getting different places in the Mendeleev periodic tables. This was the second demerit of the Mendeleev periodic table. Third demerit. When elements were arranged in the increasing order of their atomic masses, the rising atomic masses did not appear uniform. Atomic masses जो rising था uniform नहीं था. It was not uniform कि 5 के बाद 6 है, 6 का 7, ऐसा uniform नहीं था. Therefore, it was not possible to predict how many elements could be discovered between two heavy metals. Because when he arranged it was not, atomic masses was not uniform, means element having 15 atomic mass, then 6 atomic element with having atomic mass 16 come after that, be 17 come after that, 18 come after this. There was not informity. Therefore, it was not possible to predict how many elements would come would discovered between two heavy metals. And fourth demerit was about the position of hydrogen, because hydrogen, where should be place of hydrogen, because hydrogen has similarity with the halogen which were present in the group 7 as the molecular formula of hydrogen is 2, such as halogens जैसे chlorine, bromine, and all are chlorine had a molecular formula Cl2, bromine has Br2, iodine has I2, like that hydrogen has also molecular formula H2. तो hydrogen had property similar to the halogen, therefore it should be kept in the group 7. But hydrogen had similar property with alkali metals which are present in the group 1. The metal which were present in the group 1, they are called as the alkali metal. Hydrogen show property similar to them also. Group 1, like sodium, potassium, lithium are present in the group 1. Hydrogen show property like them also, and halogens show similar property like halogens also, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So where should hydrogen kept? It was the confusion. Means position of hydrogen was not fixed in the Mendeleev's periodic table. These are the demerits of the Mendeleev periodic tables. First one, atomic masses of cobalt or nickel were same. Therefore, there was ambiguity regarding their sequences. Second one, isotope which was discovered later in which were not get position in the Mendeleev's periodic table. There was third is their elements are in the increasing order of their atomic masses. With rising atomic masses is not uniform, therefore it is not possible to predict the how many element of could discovered between two heavy metals. And fourth was the about the position of hydrogen. It should be either in the first group or in the seventh group, because it shows the property like property with the element which are present in the seventh group, that is halogen. It also shows the property with the element which are present in the first group lithium, potassium. So there were confusion about the position of the hydrogen in the Mendeleev's periodic table. These are the demerits of the Mendeleev periodic table. How this demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table was reduced, we will study in the modern periodic law. That we will study in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.